Welcome to Learn English with Stories Daily. Today is English listening practice for beginners. You will learn 10 useful words for the pharmacy and then help Sarah when she is feeling sick. Stay to the end for the quiz. Let us begin. If you do not understand every word, do not worry. You can listen many times. The more you listen, the more English you will learn. Are you ready? Let us start with our 10 words. Pharmacy. A pharmacy is a shop where you buy medicine. For example, Sarah walks to the pharmacy. Repeat after me. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Medicine. Medicine helps you feel better when you are sick. For example, the pharmacist gives her medicine. Repeat after me. Medicine. Medicine. Sick. When you are sick, your body does not feel well. For example, this morning Sarah feels sick. Repeat after me. Sick. Sick. Headache. A headache is a pain in your head. For example, she has a bad headache. Repeat after me. Headache. Headache. Cough. A cough is a loud noise from your throat when you are ill. For example, she also has a cough. Repeat after me. Cough. Cough. Pharmacist. A pharmacist is the person who gives you medicine. For example, the pharmacist is very kind. Repeat after me. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. Pills. Pills are small round medicine that you swallow. For example, she takes 1 pill in the morning. Repeat after me. Pills. Pills. Rest. When you rest, you stop and relax your body. For example, the pharmacist says, "Please rest at home." Repeat after me. Rest. Rest. Water. Water is the clear drink that keeps you healthy. For example, Sarah must drink a lot of water. Repeat after me. Water. Water. Better. When you feel better, you are not so sick anymore. For example, the next day, Sarah feels better. Repeat after me. Better. Better. Well done. You have learned 10 new words. Now, let us listen to today's story. One morning, Sarah wakes up. She does not feel well. She is sick. She has a headache and she has a cough. "Oh no," she says, "I feel terrible today." She does not want to stay in bed all day. So she puts on her warm coat and walks slowly to the pharmacy. Inside, a kind pharmacist smiles at her. "Good morning. How can I help you?" "I do not feel well," says Sarah. "I have a headache and I have a cough." "I am sorry to hear that," says the pharmacist. "How long have you felt sick?" "Since this morning," says Sarah. The pharmacist thinks for a moment. I can help you. Here is some medicine for your headache. He gives Sarah a small box of pills. Take one pill in the morning and one pill at night. Thank you, says Sarah. And for my cough? Here is some cough medicine, he says. And please, drink a lot of water and rest at home. I will, says Sarah. How much is it? That is 8 pounds, says the pharmacist. Sarah pays and says, thank you. You are very kind. Get well soon, says the pharmacist with a smile. Sarah goes home. She drinks a big glass of water. She takes her medicine. Then she rests in bed all afternoon. The next day, Sarah wakes up. Her headache is gone. Her cough is small now. She feels much better. I am healthy again, she says happily. Thank you, kind pharmacist. If you are enjoying this story, tell me in the comments. What do you do when you feel sick? Now, let us listen again slowly. One morning, Sarah is sick. She has a headache and a cough. She goes to the pharmacy. A kind pharmacist helps her. Sarah explains her problem. The pharmacist gives her pills. He gives her cough medicine too. He says, drink water and rest. Sarah pays 8 pounds. She goes home and rests. The next day, she feels much better. Now, let us practice speaking. I will say a sentence. You repeat it after me. Ready? This morning, I feel sick. This morning, I feel sick. I have a headache. I have a headache. I also have a cough. I also have a cough. Do you have medicine for this? Do you have medicine for this? Take one pill in the morning. Take one pill in the morning. Please drink a lot of water. Please drink a lot of water. You must rest at home. You must rest at home. Now I feel much better. Now I feel much better. Your speaking is getting better every day. Let us remember our 10 words. Pharmacy, a shop for medicine. Medicine, it helps you feel better. Sick, not feeling well. Headache, a pain in your head. Cough, a noise from your throat. Pharmacist, the person who gives medicine. Pills, small round medicine. Rest, relax your body. Water, the clear, healthy drink. Better, not so sick anymore. Well done. Now let us check your understanding. Question number 1. How did Sarah feel in the morning? Think about it. The answer is sick. Question number 2. What 2 problems did she have? Think about it. The answer is a headache and a cough. Question number 3. Who helped Sarah? Think about it. The answer is the pharmacist. Question number 4. When must she take the pill? Think about it. The answer is in the morning and at night. Question number 5. What did the pharmacist say to drink? Think about it. The answer is water. Question number 6. How did Sarah feel the next day? Think about it. The answer is much better. How many did you answer correctly? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for listening to Learn English with Stories daily. Keep practicing your English every day. Remember, small steps create big progress. Tomorrow, Sarah opens a bank account in London. That is our next story. See you there.